Good morning, student. Today is topic importance of statics यानी सांख्यिकी का महत्व. Following words of Professor Tippett very aptly capture the importance of statics in economics. A day might come when the Department of Economics in the universities will go out of control. Economics theoretician and come under the control of statistical workshops. In the same manner as the Department of Physics and Chemistry have come under the control of experimental laboratories. Indeed, statistics has emerged as the lifeline of economics. It is because of the growing uses the statistics by the economics that the subject like economics have been added to the horizons of economics. Following points will highlight the significance of statistics in economics. आपको बता दूं, अर्थशास्त्र और सांख्यिकी में बहुत गहरा संबंध है. अर्थशास्त्र के जो प्रत्येक सांख्यिकी का जो महत्व है, वास्तव में सांख्यिकी अर्थशास्त्र की बेस, जिसको हम आधारशिला कहते हैं, उदित हुई. अर्थशास्त्र में सांख्यिकी की महत्व को हम जो नीचे पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं उनसे हम समझ सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, क्वांटिटी ऑफ expressions of economics problems. Today all the countries of the world and facing economics problem, be it problem of unemployment, the problems of price rise, or the problems or shrinking exports. Okay. The first task of the economist is not understand its magnitude throughout its quantitative expressions. Second point, intersectoral and intertemporal composition. Economics do not stop merely at the quantitative expressions of problems. They would try to further comprehend it throughout the intersectoral and intertemporal composition. Front intersectoral composition mean composition across different sectors of the economy. Thus analyzes the problems of unemployment. The economist would like to know the magnitude of unemployment across rural and urban sectors of the economics. They would like to know that percentage of rural population is unemployment compared to the urban population's intertemporal composition. Means understanding of change in the magnitude of the problems cover time. This would, when making a composition over different plan periods of the rural and urban unemployment. Okay. Third point, working out causes and effect relationship. Economists try to find causes and effect relationships between different sets of data. This enables them to attempt an effective diagnosis of the problem and accordingly to suggest some the effective remedies. Thus, throughout their statistical study, if the economists come to know that it is because of the decline in demand the investment in the economic has tended to shrink. They can suggest the government to adopt such measures and would increase the level of demand in the economy. Okay. Fourth point है construction of economics theories of economics models. Statistics establishes relationship between different sets of statistical data, offering consultations of economics significance. The will now embrace relationship between price of a commodity and its demand is an established statistical relationship and therefore is a part of economics theory. Okay. Fifth, economics forecasting. Six, helpful in the formulating policies. 7, represents facts computable from 8 points. 2, realize the magnitude of the problem. बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टैटिक्स. अच्छे से पढ़िए.